Welcome, YouTubers, to a new lesson. We're in the lesson 2.7 in the Go Math book. This one deals with partial products. Okay, so remember how we multiply 124 times 3 using the box, the model? We will draw a box and then we'll display the factors like so. The 3 in here, and then 124 we'll break it into 100 plus 20 plus 4, like the expanded form, right? The value of each digit. Then we multiply. 3 times 100 is 300, 3 times 20 is 60, and 3 times 4 is 12. Well, this way is very similar and you'll see it. We're just gonna do it kind of a different way. So we put the number with the most digits on top and the number with the less digits on the bottom. And we're gonna start multiplying the 3 times the 1. But remember, the 1 is in the hundreds place, so the value is really 100, just like in the expanded form. We broke it into 100, so we're going to multiply 3 times 100, and we know that 3 times 100 is 300. Now we're going to go to the next digit, and the next digit is 2. But the 2 is in the tens place, so it represents 20. Just like in the model, we multiply times 20. And 3 times 20 is 60. So we're going to place the 60 under the 300, but make sure we align the digits, tens with tens and ones with ones. Now, last but not least, we have our ones. And 3 times 4, 4 represents 4, so we don't have to change anything. 3 times 4 is 12. Again, line it up, tens with tens, ones with ones. And then we just add them all together, just the same way we used to do it in the box. Add all the partial products. We call partial products the parts of the product. Remember I showed you in class? Partial is similar to part. So we're getting part of the product, and we need all the parts of the product in order to get our final product. And the final product will be 0 plus 0 plus 2, it's 2. 0 plus 6 plus 1, that will be 7. And 3 plus nothing is 3. So the answer, it will be 372. So we say that the product is 372. Final product is the answer in a multiplication problem. And the partial products are the little parts that make up the bigger product. Okay, let's do one more example. This one will be straight with partial products. I forgot the comma here. Excuse me. So let's begin. I'm going to start multiplying the 6 times the 2. But remember, it's not a 2. It represents 2,000. You can even think of the 2 with 3 zeros. So we can kind of write a 0 here and just multiply 6 times 2, which is 12. So it will be 12,000. Then we're going to go with the 4. But it is not a 4 because it's in the hundreds place. So it represents 400. And 6 times 400 will be 24 with 2 zeros. So I'm going to place the 2 under the 2, 4 here, and 2 zeros. Next, I have the 9, but 9 is in the tens place, so it represents 90. And 6 times 90 will be 1 0 and then a 54. So I'll start in the hundreds, 5, 4, and 0. Last but not least, since I have 4 digits, I will need 4 partial products. 6 times 5 is 30. The 5 is in the ones place, so it does represent 30. Now, add the map. Zeros will be 0, 0, 0, and 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. Bring down the comma. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 1 plus nothing is 1. So remember, it's very similar to what we do in the box, just set up in a different way. And it doesn't work like the multiplication that we know where we start with the ones. In this one, we'll start with the biggest place value. However, if you end up having the same numbers in a different order, the answer will still be the same. Hopefully you understand. If not, rewind the video, watch it again, and remember, practice makes perfect. So for homework, I would like for you to do these two exercises. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.